Decided to be grown and move out on my own. I have to make my own food. Yeah. Welcome back to day 3 of Vlogmas, and today I am making chicken spaghetti in the I've been wanting to make chicken spaghetti for the longest time, and I'm gonna finally do it with y'all. Now, the last time I made a crock pot meal, it actually turned out pretty good. So let's hope that this is no different. So let's get started. Now, I don't know if anybody else does this, but spray your crock pot down. All right, so I cut up 3 whole chicken breasts. You're gonna just dump them in there. You're gonna put in here 2 cans of cream of chicken. Oh, I hope that didn't just fall in there. It did. Okay, 2 cans of this. I was struggling real bad. 1 can of diced tomatoes. Yeah, I have cut up 4 ounces of Velveeta. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put this on for 4 hours and come back when it's done.